Right, so I have the water and the acid heated here. It mustn't actually boil. And it says add 2 spatulas of the copper oxide. So here it is a dark powder. Add it into this solution here. And see if there's a reaction. If there are bubbles, people, there's always a reaction. 2 spatulas. Just stir it a bit. Let's see a little foam. That's what I really want. A bit more, because just continue until it's all reacted. But you actually, because the dark color, you can't really see when it's all reacted. This should pretty much be enough. And then we want to get rid of the excess copper oxide that's inside here. So what we're going to do is filter this solution now. Stir it nicely so as much reaction has happened as possible. Right, now to filter it, we go to this apparatus here. Right, we have a tripod stand and we have the filter funnel here. And we're going to fold the filter paper. And I just want to teach you how to do it. You take your filter paper, you fold it in half. Right, and then you fold that into half again. Then you open it with 3 sides of paper on the one side and 1 on the other so that it forms a little cone like that, and you put that into your filter funnel. Right, it's dry now, it's not sitting nicely. Let's just filter this. This is going to go through here, and I'm going to collect what we call the filtrate, what comes through the filter paper into the beaker below. There goes the filtrate. We're just filtering off all the excess copper oxide. Now if you can see, it's a lovely blue color. Now hydrochloric acid is HCl, got the copper oxide as CuO, and the copper has joined with the Cl of the hydrochloric acid and made a lovely blue solution called copper chloride, which is a salt. Right, a salt means it's a combination of a metal and a non-metal. The copper is the metal part, and the chlorine from the chloride is the non-metal part. Now, if you want to make a salt out of this, of course, what the best way to do is to collect some of your filtrate in a watch glass. So, watch glass, and let it evaporate. Okay, I'm just going to put this back here. I'm going to put this onto the stove very, very lightly because watch glasses aren't really easily heated. This is not too hot still. Should be in an evaporating dish if you don't have it at the moment. Just let it heat a little bit. I'm going to put it into a beaker and actually heat it and get the crystals.